you doing with this stuff?
I'm trying to make something with this. My sister's done something with this. Shrima, solar art! Hi guys, my name is Shrima. The world is facing coronavirus problem. So, in these holidays, what we can do? But some days are okay. But rest of the days are not okay. We get so bored. So I will give you some examples of activities to do in this holidays. So let's get started with this 3D craft. So this was a milk bottle, but now I converted into a 3D craft. So how we just do it is I covered with brown paint, take the paper, we just do not in circles and all. You can also do it in any shapes. Any shapes. No, we just tear it like so. Then we dip it in a coffee and some water and dip. And then we in the edges we burn with a candle. So see. Then I'm going to show you my two friends, African dolls. So this was a perfume bottle. You can also order them from online, or you can just buy it at stores. But you can convert into a African doll. Like this is like a skirt, and these are like the tops. So you can also paint them with acrylic or glass paint. So this was easy. So now I'm going to show you my puppets. I made one dog. I'll show you how to put it. It's easy. Hi. I am Mr. Puppy. It was funny. You can also make these puppets. These are soap, and we made it from socks. So just full glitter paper, or you can also use this black paper. And now I made a girl puppet. I'll show you. I will also wear this. Yay! I am Shrima. So funny. And this was also from a pink socks. I just did some black wool with the hair and little foam sheets and with a smiley sticker. So now I'm going to show you with this canvas painting. This is like a unicorn, and I did it with the back a little shading, It's beautiful, white and all. And these are my acrylic. This is pink, so shiny. And this is, for canvas we need acrylic only paint. So these are my acrylic pens, and this silver I just did with blue and white. And with the flower. So, and this is so easy to make, but it's not so easy. It's hard. It's not even hard or easy. It's in the middle, hard. So, bye. See you tomorrow. Shrima, see what I've done with this from cups and paper. Let's try some sketches with paper. What should I draw? an apple or a ball. Oh no, I can't draw anything. Dada, please teach me!
Everyone, I am Jay and I am going to demonstrate two simple drawings to you. Let's start with the number 22. I have drawn it in such a way that the two twos are connected and the first one is bigger than the second. Now we will make a semicircle above the top of the twos, and we make an eye here. Then we draw a beak and like this here. Then we will start from here and make a line till here and make some lines. And now we will extend this line and we will draw it down also with a gap. In the gap we will draw something like this. Now we will draw the feather. See, this is birdie. Now let's move on to the second drawing. We will draw the letters B, O, Y. Now at the right side of O we will draw an eye, and at the right side of B we will draw an eye too. Now we make a semicircle above Y and we draw a smiley here. Now we connect the B and the Y. Now we draw a zigzag here. And we draw a semicircle again over here. And this is it. Thank you.
Learning spellings are very bored, but you made it easily. I liked your ball concept. Thank you. मराठीतला निबंध म्हणजे खूपच अवघड. सारंग दादा प्लीज शिकव ना मला कसा लिहायचा निबंध.
नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी सारंग देशपांडे. या कोरोनाच्या सुट्टीच्या काळात मी निबंध लिहाव्यास शिकलो. ते कसे लिहायचे आज मी तुम्हाला सांगणार आहे. जसे माहिती वजा निबंध. जर आपला विषय कोरोना असेल तर सर्वात पहिल्या टप्प्यात आपल्याला लिहायचे आहे तो आजार कुठून आला, कसा पसरला. दुसऱ्या टप्प्यात लिहायचे आहे त्या आजाराची लक्षणे कोणकोणती आहेत आणि त्या आजारापासून कसे वाचायचे. तिसऱ्या व अंतिम टप्प्यात आपल्याला लिहायचे आहे की कोविड योद्ध्यांवर आपण त्यांच्यासाठी काय काय करू शकतो आणि त्यांच्यावर एक पॉझिटिव्ह विचार लिहावा. अशा निबंधांची सुरुवात किंवा शेवट चारोळी, श्लोक, फ्रेज किंवा कविता यांनी करावा. जसे कोरोना से डरो ना, कोरोना को है हराना तो घर में ही रहना. समजा आपण आदर्श व्यक्तिमत्व निबंध लिहित आहोत तर आपल्याला सर्वात पहिल्या टप्प्यात स्वातंत्र्यवीराचे जन्म कुठे झाला, त्यांच्या आईवडिलांचे नाव आणि त्यांचे शिक्षण आणि त्यांचे बालपण कसे गेले हे लिहायचे आहे. दुसऱ्या टप्प्यात आपल्याला लिहायचे आहे की त्यांनी भारतासाठी काय काय चांगले कामं केले. आणि तिसऱ्या टप्प्यात लिहायचे आहे आपल्याला की त्यांच्यामुळे आपण आता कसे जगत आहोत. आणि अशा निबंधांची शेवट किंवा सुरुवात ज्या व्यक्तिमत्वावर आपण निबंध लिहित आहोत त्यांच्या वाक्याने करावी. जर गांधीजी असतील तर अहिंसा परमो धर्म. लोकमान्य टिळक असतील तर स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध हक्क आहे आणि तो मी मिळवणारच. आणि सुभाषचंद्र बोस असतील तर तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. आणि शेवटी जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा डैश डैश आपका नाम रहेगा. डैश डॅशच्या जागी आपण ज्या विषयावर निबंध लिहित आहोत त्या व्यक्तीचे नाव लिहायचे आहे. धन्यवाद.
थँक्यू सारंग दादा. आता मी नक्कीच चांगला निबंध लिहू शकतो. आता मी निबंध लिहिणार आहे कुटुंबावर. आत्ताच्या परिस्थितीत आपल्याला आपल्या हातांची स्वच्छता कशी ठेवायची नाचण्यामधनं पण आपल्याला शिकता येतं बरं का. बघूया आपण इवा आपल्याला कशी शिकवती येते.
Wash your hands, do 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 do. Wash your hands, do 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 do. Wash your hands, do 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 do. Wash your hands. Grab some soap, do 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 do. Grab some soap, do 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 do. Grab some soap, do 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 do. Grab some soap. Rub your hands, do 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 do. Rub your hands, do 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 do. Rub your hands, do 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 do. Rub your hands. Rinse your hands, do 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 do. Rinse your hands, do 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 do. Rinse your hands, do 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 do. Rinse your hands. Dry your hands, do 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 do. Dry your hands, do 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 do. Dry your hands, do 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 do. Dry your hands. What else can we do? Cover your sneeze, do 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 do. Cover your sneeze, do 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 do. Cover your sneeze, do 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 do. Cover your sneeze. Cough into your elbow, do 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 do. Cough into your elbow, do 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 do. Cough into your elbow, do 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 do. Cough into your elbow. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last. Let's say healthy, do 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 do. Let's say healthy, do 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 do. Let's say healthy, do 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 do. Let's say healthy. Oh yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for such nice steps. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe.